There was a farmer named Gary. One day, he was working in his farm. Suddenly, he found a pot full of gold in the field, which was filled with gold coins. Oh, lots of gold! I am so lucky. Katie will be so happy when I will show her. But just as he thinks about Katie, he feels a little scared. No, no, if I will tell Katie, she will spread the news to the entire village. We found a pot of gold in our farm. We found a pot of gold in our farm. Oh my God, no, no, this should not happen. How will I hide this from Katie? I cannot take this big pot all alone. I will have to find a solution. Gary then covered the pot with soil and reached home thinking about that matter. Today you are home early? Yes, I am feeling hungry. Serve the food quickly. Katie served the food, but Gary was not focusing on eating. Katie, I am not hungry. I will go to the market. That's very strange. Just now you said you were hungry. Are you okay? Yes, yes, I am fine. I will be back late. You have your dinner and go to sleep. Katie then goes to the market. He buys some fish and some canes of red color. He goes to his farm with those things. I should get to work now. Gary now mixes the red color and waters the farm with it. And then he spreads the fish all over the farm. Now it's fine. That night he reaches his home very late. Oh, she's asleep. Katie, Katie, get up, Katie. I have to tell you something. Oh, come fast. What happened? You came very late today. There is something. Come with me to the farm. Right now, it's late night. Let's go in the morning. No, Katie, let's go right now. It has rained in our farm. How is this possible? It did not rain here. Sky is so clear. Oh dear, that is the point. It has rained only in a farm, and that too not an ordinary rain. It was rain of fish. There are plenty of fish in our farm which drop from the sky. Fish rain? Ha ha ha. Are you feeling okay? I am absolutely fine, Katie. Now come with me. With the lantern in the hand, they both reached the farm. See, Katie, this was not an ordinary rain. It was raining red from the sky. I have filled this water in a pot. When Katie saw the fish all over the farm, she was astonished. She could see the red spots here and there in the farm. Oh yes, there are so many fishes spread here. How did this happen? This looks like a miracle. Let's take the pot filled with water home. But this is the secret, and so don't tell it to anyone. Why will I tell anyone? With the Katie's help, Gary brings home the pot filled with gold. Next morning, before Katie wakes up, Gary hid the pot in the courtyard of his home. When Katie woke up, she came to Gary asking about the pot. Listen, where have you kept the pot? Pot? Which pot? The one which we bought from our farm last night. Some of the neighbors hear Katie talking. They all come near and gather around asking her about the pot. Pot? Which pot? Did you find the pot of gold? What is in the pot? Did you find the treasure? No, there is nothing of that kind. She must have dreamt last night. I have not dreamt anything. Why do you lie? We bought a big pot last night from our farm. Yesterday night? Yes, yesterday night. You know, yesterday it rained very heavily in our farm. But yesterday it didn't rain here. That is the point. It rained only in our farm, and that too was not an ordinary rain. It rained red water from the sky, and you know, plenty of fishes also dropped from the sky in our farm. The pot was filled with red water only. And everybody started laughing when Katie said this. Rain of fish. Is this really possible? She has really gone mad. Sister, you must have had some dream. Come, let's go. We wasted our time. Ha ha ha, fish rain, crazy woman. Oh, please, stop. I'm telling truth. Now you please say something. I told you must have some dream. Now, let it go. Please, serve some breakfast. I am getting late for the farm. Did I really dream last night? Looking at his wife, going inside with the confused mind, Gary smiles. Secrets should remain secret. Otherwise, why should we call it so?